What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video. Hey, today this is what y'all been wanting, what y'all been asking about, the new headlights. Yes, I got the new headlights in. It's not gonna be an installation. I'm gonna show you some parts because I went over to my dude David's house and he actually helped me install these lights right here. He's a good friend of mine he works at Black Gold. He's a mechanic there. So, well, I say a tech. I'm saying a mechanic, but a tech there. So, yeah, he knew a lot about these lights because he got them in his bike. He got the first Shark Demon lights in his bike. I got the Shark Demon V2 lights in my bike. It's just a slight difference on them. David says a big difference. So, but I'm gonna show you a few clips with me and him when we was down over his house putting the lights in. So I'm gonna show you a few clips so you can see that and how to install some of this stuff. Cause we went in there, I pulled out my power amp because the amp was in the way. It was just entirely too long. And plus I got the bracket. I'm gonna show you something. This is the box, y'all. It's nothing in the box but some of the stuff that we took out of the bike. The power amp, the headlight, the competitor headlight, we took that out. But yeah, these are the Shark Demons 2. And it came with, I had to order this bracket here. I had to get this separate right here. This is a spacer for your headlights and your amp. You see that right there? So it's some spaces to go through there so you can have enough room just at the back of the light so the amp won't touch. You ain't gotta make a lot of modifications and all that kind of stuff. So, but this was the bracket. So like I said, it's already in there. I'm gonna show you what lights I got, but I'm gonna show you a few clips first of us getting the lights in. So yeah, and I wanna do a ride also so that you can see how bright these boys are. These boys are very bright. And one thing I do like about Custom Dynamics, the warranty of their lights, man. Lifetime warranty, you can't beat their warranty status at all. Great lights, man. You know, yeah, they cost a little penny, but that light go out, you can have it replaced just like that, man. So Custom Dynamics has been on, I've been on a Custom Dynamics fan before they actually started coming in helping me. I had did my whole bike in Custom Dynamics. So y'all, but let's get to the clips. We'll let you see those and I'll be back and show you the light. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B. As you can see, I'm not at my house, but we finna get the Custom Dynamic lights in today. I'm over here with my good dude David, man. You probably done seen him in a couple of my videos before. So got a nice garage, got a nice tool set up over here. But y'all, we are finna replace the light here. Y'all see it? We finna replace the competitor light right here, y'all. So yeah. But that's what we finna do. And I'm gonna show you the lights I got. We might go step for step for just a little bit, but we might not show all of it, but we're gonna get the lights installed. He got more knowledge on this, so because he have the first one in his bike. So this is the Custom Dynamic V2 lights, y'all. So yeah, we finna get in. So I get it with y'all, all right? The board is out, y'all. Look at it. We're gonna do some alteration. I'm gonna have to pull my amp out of there. So yeah. And the DSP. Hey y'all, don't use no aftermarket amp like I did. Everything else that I'm gonna get, I had to pull that whole amp system out of here. And you see, the guy that did my bike, you know, we got the wire splice. We're finna put them back together and try to get my lights in here. But I'm gonna redo my whole system on here. With I don't know who else. I don't know who to get, but I'm gonna get somebody to redo my light. I got a glare on my camera, but yeah. If you can, do not use aftermarket amp if you plan on using those lights, man, because you're gonna need the room. So yeah, we getting it in, baby. All right, y'all, we got all the main wires hooked back up. Hey, y'all, do not use aftermarket, y'all, if you're trying to get these lights right here, like I said. So these are the lights, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the difference on these lights and my dude Dave's lights. It's just a slight difference on it. It ain't much, but it's just a slight difference. Is it much, Dave? What would you say?
There's a huge difference because those have a side beam. The new ones don't. They've taken the side beam out of it to give it more of a clean projection. They took the lens out of the side here.
Right.
See, if you look at the ones that are on my bike,
see.
they're in the side.
See, you can see that what he's talking about right here. He got like a clear right here. You can see the glass.
They don't have it no more.
Yeah.
So they made the projection where it's going to project out further.
Right. So yeah,
So
that's where we at right now, y'all. I'm gonna try to get with Volunteer Audio or somebody and see if I can get my sound system back in my bike. But y'all, do not use that. Hey, they just finished measuring the lights. The distance from the ground up was what, 32?
Yep.
32 inches, man, because you don't want them too high or they gonna blind somebody. So yeah, they look, man, cone look totally different already. So make sure you get these measured before you tighten these bolts on the side. So yeah, that different look, y'all. Got a glare on the camera. It's sunny outside today. That look good though, man. What's up, y'all? Hey, we had to do just a few modifications right off in this area right here because I have the amp space on there, and even without the amp space, you still gonna have to do some modifications. I think Dave had to do some on his, but it doesn't look bad at all, man. We just kind of grinded it down and to make it fit. And make sure you don't cut this lip right here, because if you cut that lip right there, you might be in trouble because your fairing goes up against that to hold it in. So yeah, but other than that, man, it looks good. No complaints. Y'all check out that. Them boys are really bright. And it looks really good, y'all. Camera probably not doing it any justice at all, but man, I got a glare on the screen. Ooh, wait, them boys bright. Oh man, totally different look on Khrome, y'all. Totally different look. Oh man, I'm loving that. Now the bike got all custom dynamics all the way around on the bike, man, front to back. So yeah, I appreciate my dude Dave helping me get that done. But y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all, do not you got a amp in your deal and it's aftermarket, it ain't one of these good amps that's supposed to go up in there, hey, you're gonna do something about the modification. They do have a bracket, but I'm gonna have to get a new amp and all that, but we'll get back. I'll say that again about the lights, the vent trim lights.
They either need to make the lights further this way, or they need to notch them and radius them to where they conform to the lights.
Right.
So that it has more of a clean, uniform fit. Because everybody's not going to be able to have the ability to grind, cut, and customize their lights.
Right.
Especially with Khrome. It doesn't, Khrome ones, once you mess with the integrity of that Khrome finish,
it's probably gonna mess
all
up.
you've got is plastic now.
Yeah.
So some customers are not going to be happy with that. The black one is going to be different.
Right.
But the Khrome ones, they have to conform to that fit, especially if you're putting that amp bracket in there and you're moving that thing forward.
Yeah.
You don't have to take as much off with the bracket,
Right.
added, but you still have to modify the lights in order for them to work.
Right.
So, as a company for the customer, it would be in the best interest of y'all guys to figure out how to redesign those lights to fit around that particular setup.
Okay. Custom dynamics, y'all hear that right there? He's just a little modification on those lights, man. Don't look bad at all, but I'm loving the look. I got a glare on the screen, y'all. Sorry about that. It's bright outside today. Look at that, man. Look at that. Them boys bright, y'all. I can't wait to ride this baby at night to see the brightness of it. Wow. I'm happy with it, man. But like I say, David say, you gotta do a little customization on the turn signals. And I'm pretty sure Custom Dynamics will get that fixed and worked out for you, so we can have some new turn signals on the bikes. So yeah, you're gonna need a little grinder to grind those down like Dave did, so yeah. But man, we're gonna test these out tonight and see what happens and see how far they go down the road with the little modification they changed up on the lights. Cause like I say, Dave's just a little bit different. But yeah, we'll get up with y'all on that one. This is the box, y'all. It's nothing in the box but some of the stuff that we took out of the bike. The power amp, the headlight, the competitor headlight, we took that out. But yeah, these are the Shark Demons 2. And it came with, I had to order this bracket here. I had to get this separate right here. This is a spacer for your headlights and your amp. You see that right there? So it's some spacers to go through there so you can have enough room just at the back of the light so the amp won't touch. You ain't gotta make a lot of modifications and all that kind of stuff. So, but this was the bracket. So like I said, it's already in there. Let me show you the light, y'all. Let's show you the light and you tell me what you think about the lights. Yeah, it's a different look on the bike. Totally different look on the bike. I know some of y'all like, I know my brother like, man, I like the other lights, but you know, it is what it is. But these are much brighter. And plus, I wanted custom dynamics all over my bike, y'all. That's what I really wanted. I wanted to have custom dynamics all over. And you can see right here on the side right here, on the other lights, it's, I'm gonna put a picture up, and plus you can see it on David when we show it. It's some glass right here, but they made it where these lights will go further down the road. They had it where the lights was going out like this. They had some lights on the side, had a little glass right there, and we had to make a little modification on the vent light so it, so it can fit nicely. So if you got a little cutting tool, a dremeling tool or something like that to cut that, we did it on both sides. You can't even really tell. It looked like it goes like that because he cut them identical. You have to make just a small modification. We hope that Custom Dynamics see the modifications that they really need to make, because that's one reason I didn't want to get rid of my other light, because I still wanted my vent lights. And I really like these lights. I want to thank Karen from Custom Dynamics for sending these lights over, man. These are very nice. You seen in the clips, y'all, where, we did a few modifications. This is the light that I took out here. This is the Advan black light, y'all, that I took out. And this is the power amp I took out of there. So I'm gonna make sure I don't do this no more. Y'all, don't cut corners. I'm gonna say it like that. Don't cut corners, because Harley make their stuff specific for this bike right here. And with Rockets Falls Gate and Volunteer Audio, they make stuff to actually go in the fairing to fit these bikes. And that's the route I'm going. I'm going to probably get with Volunteer Audio, since I have the SoundStream radio, and try to get my whole system set up, because I had to pull that boy out there because I had no room, because it was too long and it was just in the way. So, but yeah, we had to pull it out. But I'm gonna let you see the lights. You can't see them that good, but I'm gonna turn them on. Let you see them. Let you see how bright them boys are. And that's the low beam right there. And that's the high beam, and that boy is very, very bright, y'all. So yeah, make sure you reach out to Custom Dynamics if you're looking for some bright lights that's gonna shine bright, because I do a lot of night riding, y'all. So I need to see on both sides of the road. I got to see on both sides of the road, and these lights are definitely going to do that. I'm gonna do a review on them when I get it down the road and see how bright these boys are. Cause I know the first Shark Demon, they are very bright. Cause I think almost every black gold guy got them out there, man. It's quite a few got these lights on their bikes. So, and then my boy David got them on his bike, and yeah. And this is the second set right here, the V2. So if you look in the market, these run you maybe $1,000. You know, the competitors, they are very high. You're gonna pay about $1,500, $1,600 for those. But for these to be DOT certified, hey, you can't beat it, because with those other lights, you might get a ticket, you might not. It depends on what state you in, probably. But with these right here, these lights here, you don't have to worry about it. But man, I just want to come on here and show you these lights, man. Like I want to say, I want to thank Custom Dynamics again. Man, I appreciate you, Karen. I appreciate Custom Dynamics working with me. And y'all, we're gonna support Custom Dynamics. That's what I've been rocking them for a minute. So like I say, they all over the bike. Y'all, I want to thank y'all, man. We got some trips coming up. Y'all, we got another trip coming up really soon, so y'all stay tuned. Run to the Hills for June the 7th through the 8th. If you're interested in rocking and rolling down there, y'all let me know. Hit me on my email at kellybgliding@gmail.com, or you can hit me on my Instagram as well at kellybgliding, and just let me know. I know I got a few people already said they was gonna roll with me, so hey, it's gonna be a good time. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And we're gonna push all the way through. Our brakes are the gas stops, okay? Remember that. So man, till next time, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Have a blessed one. Love y'all, man. Peace.